on the up, although it's taken a bit of a battering over the last couple of days. Vanessa Hudson, who is now the CEO as of tomorrow, Vanessa is the person who guided Qantas through
You stupid fuck.
pandemic, and she will be focused on...
Safe.
Fuck you, you fucking useless bastard.
Today's best music start on point 9 is Johnny Williams this afternoon. If you didn't catch it this morning, and Scotty and Katie were live from Armia Road State School.
Dick.
Fucking side of the road, you idiot. You're gonna kill someone! Fuck's sake! Jesus fucking Christ! What the fuck is wrong with you, you fucking dickhead?
Where's the pomegranate molasses? I really need to have eggplants.
You fucking piece of shit! What the fucking hell is wrong with you?
Going back to that might not be a bad thing in terms of, I guess,
You know what? You just made the list!
Idiots.
Landlords, it's no secret that holding on to your investment property...
What are you doing?
Stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign.
Sometime in the next 10,000 years, a comet's gonna wipe out all trace of man. I'm banking on it coming before my end-of-year exam. The rich kid becomes a junkie, the poor kid an advertiser. What a tragic waste of potential.
Being a junkie's not so good either.
You folks work hard for what you got. You're the fruit of their vine. Who cares what you sow and what you reap? Miss Greg and Mr. Stop Sign. Girls can do anything. You can pass a test. I'm okay, you're okay, we're okay, we're fine. I thought I heard a semi-trailer. Greg, your business, stop sign.
Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign. Greg the stop sign.
Stop it. Get some help. And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
It's at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
That's going to bring the crowds back, isn't it? That sort of attacking, entertaining
really
style of rugby league.
Love it, walking your two children on
the kids were to play tag football instead, but following a backlash from parents, South Sydney and Manly Juniors Leagues chose to...
Sunday was sublime. James Golding fourth, super job. They got fined $5,000 because, well, this is one of these things that came back around on them. They'd actually asked Race Control on Saturday to investigate David Reynolds allegedly impeding Golding in qualifying.
It's great online.
Yeah, then you get to it, you're like,
yeah, like this is literally going to fall apart with a hope.
You idiot.
What's he doing?
You went to the wrong... Tried to go in the wrong way. I should have waited.
And you're swimming with them, and they sort of they click away, they click, and they tell you a secret. You go into they lead you into a cave, right? But down there, it's like being at like Rolling Stones' house in the 1970s.
It's her best friend's daughter's wedding.
Oh right, oh that's lovely.
So Kathy, who came to
your wedding. Don't die on me.
Well, didn't want to.
Scratch, so to already have that relationship I think is a huge advantage. So the timing was very good last year, but yeah, like his prep pre-weekend and what he tells me or what info he gives me before we get on track.
Not only are you on the yellow line, but you parked the wrong fucking way up the street, mate.
Bravo. Well said.
Oh, welcome to Queensland. We're getting close to the fucking border now.
What the fuck are you doing? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
No, no, no.
You hear me?
Yep.
Good. So what?
Fuckwit.
That's Scotty's dash cam, mate. Straight through the red. Another one for Scotty.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope.
Tornado! Tornado!